Hello and welcome. Good morning, afternoon, evening. How you all doing? Rock's Original here. So I've got a lovely little piece of elm, nice little slab, got some lovely character in it, and I'm going to be making a double-sided river table. And without further ado, let's roll the credits. Basically, I just had a couple of slabs. I trimmed this up. This is spalted elm, but look at the character in it. And that's dry as a bone now. I had epoxy on it a minute ago. It's just sucked it all up. Look at that. It's gonna look at the character. That there in epoxy, like clear epoxy with a river, it's gonna look awesome. Imagine it squared off to about there. And the same that side. And well, what's all this blimmin' talking all the time? Just play the music, Rock. Okay, so what I'm doing now, pouring the first load of resin over all the materials. I'm basically just drenching everything, and what this does, it locks everything in place, preventing anything moving, and also preventing bubbles, because it's so porous that when you pour resin on things like this and moss and sand, it's going to push out air. So this way you're not going to get no bubbles. So now that everything's locked in place, when I pour my next pours and fill it up, I will have that perfect look. And always remember, your preparation is key. in anything you do, your prep work will save you so much hassle in the long run, like preventing you digging out bubbles and having to go over stuff that really you shouldn't have had to do. That's why your prep is so important. Okay, so now we've got that filled up on both sides. I'm just going to sand now, get out the little gremlins and then fill it up some more and router the top of it. Microfiber cloth, let's go around it. That'll pick most of it up. Back in again. And get your alcohol spray. Or alcohol, whatever you've got. See, when you get spots like this, and it's got like a bit of residue, yeah, just dig them out. Really, I might even, I've just dug it out, it's okay. I'm going to get the Dremel on that, just to save me a little job. See how it stays white? That shouldn't be like that.
It's a blow-job!
Bye-bye.